बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, यूट्यूब के इस मुनफरिद चैनल इन्फो इनसाइड में आपका खुश आमदीद। भारतीय एंकर अर्नाब गोस्वामी, जिसका काम ही रिपब्लिक टीवी पर बैठकर बस पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ जहर उगलना है, अब वो अपने अंजाम तक पहुंच गया है। उसको बालों से पकड़कर घसीटते हुए घर से बाहर निकाला गया। वो क्लिप भी आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूं, जिसमें अर्नाब गोस्वामी शोर करता रहा, लेकिन पुलिस के आगे उसकी एक न चल सकी। असल में अर्नाब गोस्वामी बीजेपी का आदमी है, यानी बीजेपी के पेरोल पर काम कर रहा है। लेकिन महाराष्ट्र में शिवसेना की हुकूमत है। बीजेपी और शिवसेना ये दोनों ही दहशतगर्द पार्टीज हैं भारत की, और ये दोनों भारत में गंदे लेवल की माफियाज हैं, और ये दोनों एक दूसरे के सियासी हरीफ भी हैं। और अर्नाब गोस्वामी को गिरफ्तार शिवसेना ने करवाया है। अर्नाब गोस्वामी मोदी के हक में बोलता है और उसके करतूत छुपाता है, तो मोदी अपने ही पेरोल पर काम करने वाले को क्यों गिरफ्तार करवाएगा। वैसे भी ये एंकर्स तो सिर्फ एक कठपुतली होते हैं, असल माफिया तो इनके पीछे होती है, जो इनको कंट्रोल करती है, और उनके असरो रसूख हर तरफ फैले होते हैं। ये सारा बैकग्राउंड गिरफ्तारी के हवाले से जो मैंने आपको बताया, सिर्फ इसलिए कि समझने में आसानी हो कि एक शख्स मोदी के लिए काम करे और उसी की हुकूमत हो, तो वो गिरफ्तार कैसे हो सकता है। भारत में जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस वाला निज़ाम चलता है, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट वाला कोई सीन नहीं है। अब बात करते हैं कि अर्नाब गोस्वामी की गिरफ्तारी क्यों हुई। उसके बाद आपको अर्नाब की गिरफ्तारी वाली वीडियो भी दिखाऊंगा। अर्नाब गोस्वामी की गिरफ्तारी की वजह 83 लाख भारतीय रुपया और उसके नतीजे में होने वाली 2 खुदकुशियां या कत्ल है। अर्नाब ने एक इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर को 83 लाख रुपए देने थे, जो अर्नाब हड़प कर गया और उसको नहीं दिए। वो एक गरीब इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर था, और ये एक चैनल रिपब्लिक टीवी का एंकर और एडिटर है, और ये एक नंबर का ब्लैकमेलर भी था, जिसकी वजह से वो गरीब शख्स इससे पैसे नहीं निकलवा सका, और गुर्बत की वजह से उसने और उसकी माँ ने खुदकुशी कर ली। लेकिन मरने से पहले उसने एक नोट छोड़ा, जिसमें उसने मौत का जिम्मेदार अर्नाब गोस्वामी को ठहराया, और अब उसके 2 साल बाद अर्नाब गोस्वामी को पुलिस पकड़ कर ले गई। इन्फो इनसाइड को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ मौजूद बेल आइकन को दबाइए, ताकि हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिल सके।
Not like this.
No.
Not physically assaulted me inside my house.
प्लीज मैं बात करता हूँ सर, प्लीज।
If you have physically assaulted me inside my house,
नहीं
Shamo, do not sign these papers. They are trying to force you to do it. They cannot physically assault me inside my house. Leave it. Shamo, they have physically assaulted me inside my house. I will seek the advice of my lawyers. I will cooperate.
पुलिस स्टेशन भी गए।
No. I will.
No, पुलिस स्टेशन भी गए।
One second. Listen to me. Sachin. Sit down first of all. Maintain
आप
social.
बैठिए, आप सब बैठिए ना प्लीज।
Maintain social distancing and sit down. This is my house. Please maintain social distancing. You can't physically assault me.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए।
I have to make arrangements for my family members before leaving.
हम अरेंजमेंट कर देंगे।
I will make arrangements. You can't. I have to make arrangements. I have elderly parents. I have to make arrangements for their treatment and all that. My hand is injured. I'm supposed to.
Oh, you are the encounter cop. Oh, you
You're Sachin Vaza.
you are the Sadhvi Pragya beater, no?
Come.
Yes. Okay.
You are Sachin Vaza. Sachin, listen. Sit down.
Sit down. Sit down. No, you sit down. You will have to make some arrangements.
It's your right to do it, please do it.
This Sachin. Yeah, so why don't you leave now? Residents can make the arrangements.
You are in our custody.
No, but I can't do this while you are sitting here.
Arnab, you are in our custody.
There are 20
And you
people in the
are
house.
no, yes. By doing this, you are making problem to yourself.
No.
Please don't.
Don't worry. We are ready for any problem. Don't worry.
Shamo, you were physically assaulted.
I am not assaulted.
Physically
You have.
assault.
Are you going?
Sachin, you and he have.
No, I think I was not.
This physical assault chain, which has
I came
happened.
later.
I just want to tell you, viewers,
I came
these are the people here. Shamo, is this live?
No.
These are the people that have physically assaulted me.
Force now. You have to use force now. If you do like this,
Please
don't do that.
प्लीज कोऑपरेट, लीगल एक्शन है।
then we will use
आपको
force.
पूरे लीगल राइट्स है, आप जो
Yes.
करना है आप एडवोकेट को बोल दीजिए, आपको पूरे लीगल राइट्स है, लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ चलना
You
पड़ेगा।
were assaulted.
Shamo, they have assaulted.
Yes, yes, I have got that all live. That's gone live, that assault.
And this person assaulted me. I don't know his name.
आप चलिए।
Oh, आपका तो ये भी नहीं है. ये this is
Shamo, 1 second.
this is it. Okay, guys, everybody see this all over India. This is a man. He doesn't have a tag.
Shamo,
He doesn't have a tag. We don't even know whether he's actually a legit police officer. Guys.
Shamo, 1 second, 1 second. These people are physical. I just want to give a report before we end. Shamo, first of all, don't worry.
आप कोऑपरेट कीजिए।
Everything will be all right.
अर्नब जी,
These people have entered my house and physically
लीगल एक्शन
assaulted
के लिए
me.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए।
This is therefore the high-handedness of the Mumbai police.
I'll send it to the.
They came 6 o'clock in the morning. They physically assaulted me. They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and Sachin
gentleman,
Vase,
this gentleman.
who has entered my house illegally and physically assaulted
Illegally
me.
they have entered. This gentleman in the plain clothes also assaulted. This gentleman in the blue shirt and plain clothes has also assaulted. And we have shown you live that entire incident.
I physically assaulted.
It's live.
रिक्वेस्टिंग यू प्लीज
No,
कोऑपरेट।
you assaulted. No, you assaulted. You assaulted.
Last 2 hours I am requesting you now please cooperate with us।
Well, you.
I mean, I'm requesting you very calmly. Very calmly.
As per your request,
Now
you
it
say
is
since
that.
last 2 hours you have assaulted us. 2 hours I am standing there।
You have physically assaulted me. I'm injured. I now need to take medical advice and talk. Because of your physical assault, I am feeling unwell. So I'll take medical advice and talk. वो भी मिलेगा।
नहीं.
Physically assaulted me. I need
मेडिकल असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा, लीगल एड असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा, लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ
सचिन जी मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया गया है, इसलिए मैं और मैं कोई आई एम अ वेरी वेलवेड सिटीजन। इफ यू फिजिकली असॉल्टेड मी आई नीड मेडिकल एडवाइस बिफोर लीविंग बिकॉज आफ्टर द फिजिकल असॉल्ट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल।
अभी आपको चलना पड़ेगा। कोऑपरेट कीजिए।
I need
We would like to record the
I need to
physical
make
assault.
arrangements for my family. Please, Shamo, just record this. I don't want to talk. I want to talk to my family before leaving. Will you leave the room? Give me privacy to speak to my family. I want to speak to my family.
Please we are requesting you please don't
I need to make
Please, आप लोगों को तबीयत खराब लग रहा है.
we are requesting please follow
Please, ma'am.
There will be further charge on me.
No, 1 second. You don't physically assault.
I was not there.
You were there. No, you were there.
अभी चलिए चलो प्लीज
You are no one to dictate
we are
anything.
requesting
You are in our custody. You are in our custody. You are in
You
police
physically
custody.
assaulted me.
I have not. I have not.
What is the charge?
Sorry?
What is the charge?
We will tell you. We will give in writing. Yeah, we have already given written.
Please ask her.
Written.
No, I have not got anything. She found the paper. I couldn't read. You took it away. I couldn't read. You took it away.
your number अर्नब जी चलिए
Once again, I will tell you, is case number 69 of 2018 under section 306-34 IPC about Raigad police. Come on.
That this is closed.
No, close, not close.
Open.
It's open.
You have been arrested. You are arrested.
You are arrested by Raigad police. Come on.
You have been arrested by Raigad police. Chaliye. Yeah.
They have assaulted me. Shamo, listen, I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife.
उचला उचला
You can't.
उचला चलो दूसरे दिन
Shamo, record. Shamo, record. चलो अर्नब जी चलिए प्लीज
चलो अभी प्लीज प्लीज
चलो चलो enough
कम you can buy on हम टच नहीं करते
But I need to consult my doctor.
yes everything all medical help will be given
you will get everything
you will get everything yes everything you will get
Jay, Shamo,
चलो
just call the doctor.
we have
चलो चलो भाई उचला
Shamo, I need to speak to my wife.
चलो उचला
Sachin, just stay away from me. I need to speak to my wife.
no
I
you
need
are
to
going too
speak
much
to my wife.
yeah you are creating trouble for yourself
I need to speak to my wife.
yes
Shamo, Assault! Don't worry.